Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Miguel. Today, I will show you how you can get leads for your local business using Claude plus Apify. Let's get started. Now, Apify is a platform that allows you to scrape data from the web through something that they call actors. Pretty much, it's just tiny robots that fetch information from any website or platform that you can think of. For example, right here, as you can see, you have one for TikTok, you have one for Amazon, you have one for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. For today, what we're going to be using is we're going to be using the Google Maps one. Because by using Google Maps, you are able to target certain geographic locations for any type of service that you want to contact. Lawyers, restaurants, dental clinics, medical clinics, you name it. What we will do is we will take Apify, we will connect it to Claude. You can use any other AI of your choosing. For today, we're going to be using Claude. So he can do all of the heavy lifting for us, choose the correct search to do, and then create a small Excel sheet that we can use for outreach. We will get the email plus the phone number of those addresses because everyone on Google Map has that contact information straight up. I will show you step by step how you can do this. What we're going to do is, first of all, you're going to need a free Apify account. Apify gives you $5 of credits each and every single month, and if used correctly, that's over 1,000 effective leads that you can get. After you create your free account, the next step is you're going to head into console. Now, the console can be a bit intimidating, but don't worry. The only thing that we're going to be doing here is we're going to be getting an API key, which is going to allow us to establish the connection between Apify and Claude. An API key you have to be very careful with because it's pretty much the key or the password to your account. So if someone has it, they can spend your money. In this case, if you have a free account, it's not really a problem because you only have $5 of credit, but in general, be careful with API keys. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to head into settings right here, going to click on it. Then you will go to the API and integrations tab. Once you click on that button, you will reach the personal API tokens. I already have a few ones that I'm using from my other accounts, but I'm going to create a new one so I can follow along with you. So I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to call this one tutorial. Once I create it, you will see there will be a new row that has been added here with the name tutorial. I can click on this button right here, which is the copy button. Now I have everything that I need from Apify. We don't really even need to come back into the platform, but I will do it to show you how it works. And now we're going to go into Claude to be able to set all of this up. Once you're in Claude, and for this, you will need the desktop application. You cannot use the web version of Claude. Be very careful. Go into the website to fetch the application if you need it. Once you're in Claude, the next step is going to be establishing the connection. For this, we're going to be using the connector. To be able to search for connectors, you're going to go into this tab right here on your left. If you don't see it, the only thing that you have to do is you have to click on this burger menu right here. Now you have the customize option. So click on that customize option and you will have the connectors tab. Click on connectors and now click on the plus symbol right here, add connector and browse connectors. As you can see, I have already a lot of connectors. That's normal because I'm a bit of more of an experienced user. But if it's your first time with Claude, you will have next to nothing. Now, once you're in here, you will search for Apify. Click on this one. In my case, I already installed it. If it's your first time, you will see the install button. Install it. Sometimes it does bug out, so you do have to quit the application and then run it back again. But then you just come back to this tab and you can continue. Once it has been installed, it must also be configured. So to be able to configure it, we're going to click on this configure button. Now, as you can see, it says it requires that we give it an Apify token. So this is exactly what we did in the previous step in Apify. We now have the token that's needed for this. You can simply give it and get started. So now I'm going to give it right here. Click on save. This is extremely important. If not, it's not going to work. And then also click on enabled. If you don't enable it, well, it's not going to work. As you can see, directly as I hit the enable button, all of the tools directly from Apify were loaded. So it can find actors, meaning that it can find scrapers for you. It can get details from the actors. So how much is it going to cost you to be able to get that information? It can run it. It can get the results. It can get the documentation, anything. It can also run them for you. Now we're gonna head back into the main window for Claude. Once we're in here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask Claude to check if he has access to Apify, namely the Google Maps scraper. Hey Claude, do you have access to the Apify Google Maps scraper? We're gonna just check that out. Now, for this, I do recommend you use a bigger model such as Opus. Opus 4.8 was released just yesterday, which offers a premium capacity on just being able to handle complex tasks. It's not really a big step up from 4.6 or 4.7, quite frankly, but it's good to always use the bigger models for this type of use case, which actually requires analysis. As you can see, he says that yes, he has access to it, the most relevant one, and he finds the one that has the best ratings out of it. As you can see, nearly 500,000 users, 93% success rate, 4.75 out of 5 stars. Now, he's asking me what I actually want to, some type of examples of what I can get from it. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how I can get information from restaurants because I'm interested in offering services to restaurants. Hey Claude, using that scraper, can you please get me 20 Michelin star or high-end gastronomic restaurants located in Paris, please? Let me know when you're done. Now, you can get extremely detailed with the type of searches that you do here. Right now, I'm doing a simple search for just demonstration purposes. But for example, here you could ask it to fetch the pricing, filter the ones that don't have contact information, do a very narrow search across a given section of your city. You can do cities, you can do blocks, you can do anything that you want because this is literally using Google Maps and getting all of that information for you. As you can see right now, Claude was actually able to start the request. And if we actually head back into the Apify website that I showed you, you will see that he actually started a new actor. This is literally what he did for us. So he just started getting all of the information from the restaurants in Paris, very good ones indeed. I can check what he actually asked for. So as you can see, he said, "Oh, this means in English gastronomic restaurants, Michelin starred." I can go back into Claude and he's saying that he got the 20 results already. So he found the type of restaurant that we want to target to offer our services. You can offer cleaning services, you can offer uniform services, you can offer marketing services, anything. This allows you to narrow down your niche extremely well because you can talk to people like you're a local too. So it's different to get an email from someone saying that they're targeting the best marketing agencies in the US versus someone who says, I am targeting the best agencies in this part of this specific city. That's a much better message. People do tend to respond with a much better, I would say, um, they're much eager to respond to someone who's really interested in them and their local problems rather than just someone who's saying, "Oh, I'm looking for the best in in the country." Here, as you can see, we already have all of the contact information. We have the phone numbers. We have the emails as well. So you do get the emails too. And Claude also gives you the breakdown. So you can even go door to door, call, or cold email this type of institution. We only did 20 for this tutorial, but if you really want to do this at scale, you can do it with 100, 500, 1000, 2000, and that is literally going to cost you less than $10. Then, on top of this, you can actually use Claude to be able to analyze the profiles, the Google Maps profiles of all of these businesses and choose the top 10 out of 1000, the ones that really fit with the things that you're offering. This has been the first step of this tutorial. This already gets you all of the data. For the next steps, I recommend you actually try this with Cowork. I will show you how you can do this at scale, but give this a try with your first 50 to 100 leads. And I am sure that you will get quite a few new people that you can actually talk with. Now, this has been it for the tutorial. I'm going to say I'll catch you in the next video and bye.